Hey guys, welcome to another video of Midnight Fresian. Today we are back with a lot of my friends from Fast Rabbits, and of course Mo, I don't know where Zoe went, and Abigail Dolphinball, which I think she has a YouTube channel. Start.
Hello, bitches.
Oh, yes, and we're here with Kaylee.
Obviously, I could not be there last time because I was in the hospital.
Today we are playing hide and seek.
Yay! Oh, wonderful.
Okay, who's it?
Not me. Not me. Just gonna, step back.
Does Balls want to be it? Hey. Ah, shit.
Crystal never wants to be it. I have cookies to be it. She's like, sure.
I don't know what to call her. Hey, be it. Well.
Call her girly girl.
Oh. Count to. Shit.
Ow.
Mo, you be it. Mo, you be it.
Okay. And then if you don't know Mo, then you just call him the sexual guy in the corner. Wait, what is the
Okay,
sexual
okay.
guy in the corner?
We're not allowed to go outside of the manor stables. Okay, start counting, bro. Go in your corner and you count
Where do I go?
the stables, like we did in Moorland. Yeah.
Okay. So what are the limits though? I didn't
You're not allowed to go outside the stables, basically. Like the walls, like the white walls,
okay.
like Trump's gonna build. Okay, I gotta find a go. Oh, I say too much.
Make us so great again.
Make us so great again.
No, next. Okay.
Mo's version of
Oh, fuck.
SSL is sexual.
Okay. Let's see if I can
How
find
did
it.
you know?
Oh, how? Okay, I can't.
I cannot go in these tables, so yeah.
No, go inside the. Oh my god. Yeah, those.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Oh, Shiza.
Where's their shit? I'm gonna stand on the shit. Let's go. Okay. How much do I count?
20. Just count to 20. If you don't know how to count to 20, count in French, just because.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I didn't know how much he's counting to.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. I should be coming right now. If you only said 20s.
Okay. I'm in a great ass hiding spot though. Okay, so find people from Fast Rabbits, I guess, and me. I think it was like 5 people or something. I would make a group, but then that would be cheating, like 100% cheating.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
True.
I'm surprised no one's found me yet. I'm kind of surprised.
I'm actually pretty hidden.
I was like felt so stressed. I was like, where to go? Then I found a bush.
No, I'll give you guys a hint. I'm doing the same tactic that Zoe used in the Moorland video.
Oh my!
I found Aiden.
Just say found you if she, wait. Find us now.
Okay. Can you go on in the plants bullshit? Like,
The what?
where's the bridge and all? Where's there's like a lot of plants? More near the hall.
No, you have to stay within the white walls. The walls
Okay.
of the stable.
Racist. I call racist. You said white.
No, I don't stand for this.
I'm gonna silent me.
I'm next to Zoe now.
Yeah, wait, is those playing?
Yeah, she's right in front of me. Oh, yep.
I am anti-sequel. I'm
It's so
everything
joke.
except for some of the players, like, I respect some of the players that don't
Oh, she does know we're doing a video, right? Oh well. I thought you were gonna see me anyway.
disrespect.
Wait, so we have to call.
Okay. Wait, can you see me through the hay
to make a
bales?
point about freaking
Me?
guys getting beat by police.
I'm too retarded to see you.
Okay,
there is.
Let's not do that.
Not on game time.
Okay, so Crystal Stormcloud's
You wanna do
playing.
that separate?
It's not sports.
Whatever.
It's not sports.
Oh my god, my parents are talking really loud in the background. Holy shit.
Yeah, they're ruining football. They're ruining
I
it.
just thought Crystal.
No, it's, I don't know what the fuck.
There's a lot of people that won't do it anymore
Crystal, you have to hide better.
because of all that.
She's not. Wasn't she like on the roof or something?
Yeah, and I suck at hide and go seek.
So you're gonna use Zoe's technique, so basically you're just gonna go.
I see, Crystal Stormcloud.
Oh, it's gonna hurt.
Oh, I just saw Zoe.
If they would have, the first time it happened, if they would have taken care of it, it would
Wait,
have happened
next
again.
round? Not even
But they
5
let it
p.m.
go, and now it's.
Yeah, because I'm not trying to look for you.
Now the fans have taken their own way.
Oh, I just saw you.
I had
He's
to.
got to go. He's the nicest person I've ever met.
Oh, I just saw you, bro.
I'm such a good friend.
You already know where I am, bet.
Me?
Yeah.
No, actually I don't, because I don't know where. No, the hay bale. Yeah, I do.
Bruh.
So I've. Hi there.
What?
Oh, shit.
It's on you, girly. Move.
Stand back.
Okay.
Found me.
Oh, I just saw Abigail.
No, that's Tuna.
I'm next to the trailer. I'm gonna move back a bit.
You're next to the trailer.
Oh, I saw Alexa's Sapphire Scream here.
Fuck.
I
Must
see
be there.
Crystal Stormcloud.
You're totally not like over there. Oh no, I don't see. I don't see. I didn't find you. No, I totally didn't. Fuck, I'm stuck.
Really, Crystal? You're just sitting there? Oh,
Okay, I think Jenny thinks she's it. Or, oh, I'm not paying attention. I'm gonna go find my horse now because I think I've it's back here. Hello. I have no idea who just joined the call, but I'm doing a YouTube video. Welcome. Okay. I give up Dalka.
This girl is like trying to stalk you, like what? What is she doing?
Who did you find first, Mo? Who did you find first?
I don't remember.
Oh my god.
This is why you don't play hide and seek, Mo.
I'll be
Oh,
it.
you guys are playing hide and seek?
Yeah, I'll be it. We do
Where
it.
are you?
We're at Manor.
Yeah, I'm already running away by my hide place.
Are you guys just hiding all over the thing?
We're hiding all over the Manor.
Oh. I'm just gonna go over there.
Oh wait, are you wait?
Yeah, I'm counting.
Who's
7,
okay.
8, 9, 10,
Wait, you're on start counting?
11. Yeah.
One more.
1, 2, I guess. 12, 13.
I don't have a hide.
One,
How do you get off your horse? Fucking hell.
Click X!
4.
14.
Run,
15.
Run. Okay, he's running now.
Oh.
Wait, so what are you counting?
I'm counting to 20. 16.
Oh, I'm probably not gonna make it. I'm in golden.
17. Oh.
I'm here for. Okay, let's just try this.
1, 8.
Oh my god.
1.
Really, Mo?
It honestly takes me like 10 minutes to like freaking count. 20. I'm gonna.
I can't go anywhere.
Okay, ready? Here I come. I'm coming, guys. Oh. Oh, I found you.
Oh, no, that's Mo. All the love couples in this world. Why?
Found you. I found this person, boy.
Our fast rabbit.
Oh.
I'm gonna make a group with Zoe
Dang.
and Shelby because I want to talk. To
Oh,
them.
oh, shiza. I can't fit through there. My horse is too fast. Actually, it's a skinny stick. Oh, Jesus.
Wait, is it just just in the equestrian center thing, or can it be like riding arena too?
Can only be manor, like within the walls, like stables.
Oh. Ooh.
Make America great
Oh
again.
my god.
Oh my god.
Triggered.
Okay, I'm here. I'm gonna try to find you.
Oh, I'm
Wait, this
looking.
is so
Oh,
great
I
again.
found someone.
Where there's
I found someone. Their name.
Found you.
Abigail Dolphin Ball.
Oh, yeah, I found her first. Hi. Okay.
Well, she was just hiding. That's kind of a stupid place to hide them. Oh, I found Hayden Mystery Star.
She hides in the trailer because she thinks no one will notice. Oh, I found you, bruh.
I found Hayden Mystery Star.
Oh, I found this girlie over here.
Jenny,
Found
whatever her
you.
name is.
I found Jenny.
Every Jenny person.
Dude, Docker, you just passed me.
Oh, thank you for giving me that hint. I'm gonna go look back now.
Oh, I found Dolphin.
My dad's calling me.
I'm the one seeking.
Oh wait. I found someone.
Oh, I found you.
Away,
Wait.
though. Well, I probably
Oh.
did already.
I think I just found Mo, actually.
Yeah, that's
Oh shit.
yeah.
Hey Mo. Mo. Hi.
Oh no, that's not. That's me.
Yeah, it is Mo. He's Dakota Dragon Balls.
My.
Found you.
Some of you like
Shit.
really badly.
Yeah, but I didn't have plays, and like I was fucking up on my horse, and I just saw a bush that was like
A bush! Miracle!
miracle. Hallelujah! Fucking hell.
Wait, okay. We're hiding again. I'm playing.
I'm playing.
I'm playing.
Oh.
I'm gonna fail though. I know that.
Harold Trotter in the flesh-eating slug repellent in a nutshell. Where's Kaylee? Schnozberries.
No needs nuts when you have balls.
Oh. Okay, Kaylee, give me a hint where you are. Silence. Okay, that's an issue. Is Kaylee even on the call anymore?
Wait, I think Zoe's also hiding.
Oh, I found
I'll
her.
just help you find them.
Found you. I found Kaylee, never mind. I don't know if Zoe's playing. Oh no. That's great.
I love her so much, but it makes me so much worried how she acts lately.
Well, where is Zoe? I've not actually. Wait.
I don't know. She said bye. I have to go. I'm gonna go cry in bed.
Oh. I don't know what my response is supposed to be to that though.
Yeah, but she said
Is that like a joke or is that like serious?
I don't know. Well, I was at the hospital yesterday.
Oh, I don't know how to spell
the
outro.
last 3 days, so it might make them fucking worried. And yeah,
Why would they care though?
they care because I'm dating them.
Rip. Stuff has been happening. Thank you for explaining.
Yeah, and stuff around her also have been happening.
Okay. Who's seeking?
Oh, I just finished. We just finished because I only have like 15 minutes on this video. So,
Oh.
yeah. Thanks guys for
Thanks
watching
for
Midnight
watching.
Fresian. And right as Arabelle Coldstone logs on. Wow, okay. Bye guys, thank you for watching Midnight Fresian. We'll see you guys later. By the way, if any of you guys are wondering, Cookie Canyon is my server, so you'll probably see a lot of fast rabbits.
Makes us so great again, and put more I call it necks. Yeah, neck.
Why? Bye guys.